Hello, I am Karen Johnson and welcome to Northwest Aesthetics Clinic. Today I would like to talk to you about a condition that so many people have and agonise over and they can't find a remedy. Now this condition is called bruxism or teeth grinding. Now bruxism is a medical term that describes the act of clenching of the teeth and grinding of the teeth. This is a condition that mainly affects the sufferer at night. Regular and persistent rhythmical teeth grinding can result in aching jaws, headaches, disturbed sleep, worn down teeth, even breaking of teeth, muscle and facial pain, and even receding gums. So teeth grinding has got to be sorted out. The teeth grinding is usually associated with contributing factors such as stress and anxiety, and some people suffer short term, but very sadly there's an awful lot of people who suffer lifelong and frequently require expensive dentistry repairs. Traditional methods ranging from mouth guards, sleeping tablets, muscle relaxant exercises all have very poor results. However, Botox is an excellent temporary remedy. Effects last for 3 to 4 months and in some individuals last a bit longer. Botox is a fabulous muscle relaxant medicine. It is injected directly into the corporate muscles, stopping the jaw from contracting back and forth while you're sleeping. So treating these muscles will not affect your smile, will not affect your speech, eating or drinking. Additionally, if it's administered properly by a suitable experienced practitioner, Botox injections can create a very soft curve to your jawline, so it actually looks quite nice as well. At this clinic we have great success with treating this problem with Botox, and our regular bruxism clients are now very happy sleepers. Now if you would like some more information or you would like me to help you, then I would love to help you, so please call me.